Hudur, because now I'm studying in Poland, I want to ask you a question.
Please, you have not yet introduced yourself.
Yes. My name is Muhammad Naeem Al-Jabi.
Yes.
I'm son of Salim Al-Jabi.
Yes.
Because in Poland, I want to ask Poland a question about Christianity.
That's right. How long have you been studying in Poland?
I am studying since 4 years.
Right.
Yes, still 1 year.
How many people have you converted to Ahmadiyyah during your stay in Poland?
I am studying in a city called Krakow, and I was living at one lady who, alhamdulillah, became Ahmadi. She's 65 years old.
MashaAllah.
And also my brother is living in another city called Wuj. Also he converted Ger, Kasha, she was here also. So
and didn't you convert your own wife?
Yes.
So there are two, there are two age groups to which your preaching belongs.
Yes.
To which your preaching is dedicated.
Yes.
One very old age group of 60 and beyond, one the young age group from which you have got the fruit of your labor in the form of your wife. Right?
Yes.
That is what I wanted to hear, in fact. And tell the whole world that this wife was converted with the grace of Allah by you.
Alhamdulillah.
And ever since she has been progressing very satisfactorily in knowledge and practice of Ahmadiyya Islam. Right?
Alhamdulillah.
Please.
So my question is about the character of Bulos al-Rasul. Bulos. Yes. Because this man has a character. He claimed this vision that he saw Jesus. Right. Yes. And can we know more about the background of this man and what he said?
First, let him translate. St. Paul hailed from a Jewish background, and as long as Jesus lived till the time of the attempted crucifixion, St. Paul remained a committed enemy, a sworn enemy of Christianity. He in fact got involved in persecution of innocent Christians. So all during the life of Jesus Christ, he could not become a companion of Jesus. But through a vision later on, he claimed even stronger companionship than those who were brought up by Jesus himself. The 12 disciples who were trained right from the beginning in Christianity by Jesus, he defied their understanding and presented his so-called vision against the lifetime of their learning Christianity from Jesus Christ himself. St. James, Jacob, etc., whatever names you give to his brothers and others who learned Christianity from him, they were all of one opinion, that there was no Trinity mentioned in the New Testament. Not one of them accepted this. Not one of them agreed to St. Paul's view that Christianity was a liberation and a complete separation from the Jewish background, so that the real meaning of liberation by Jesus Christ is that he has set the Jewish people, ex-Jewish people, free from their bondage to the book. So no more book. And the argument which he built was that if there was no law to be broken, there would be no crime committed. So the sin against God is in fact born out of the Sharia which is revealed. If there were no Sharia, there will be no sin. So he claimed that Jesus Christ had come to liberate mankind from the curse of Sharia, which he broke and said no more Sharia. just live in your romantic form of love for God and try to be generally good. That is all you are required to do. But even when you do not do it, it cannot be called a crime. Because if it is without Sharia, it's not enjoined upon you, then even if you violate all the fine teachings of Christianity, it should not be tantamount to committing a crime. So that is a brief introduction of St. Paul and what he did to Christianity. And if you want to know more afterwards, then I'll speak of that as well. Right? This time you have not only translated very rapidly, but also briefly. But the important things have been conveyed. Yeah. Right?
Yes.
Good. Please.